Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy DIY natural disinfecting spray, and it's not going to break the bank. How many times do we go to the store and we go and find cleaning products and they're like $5 plus, hey, we're buying all these products and then we're buying organic food and just everything is like gaining up on us, right? There's so much that we're spending on a healthy lifestyle. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this extremely simple disinfecting spray. Welcome to That Healthy Life. I'm Health Coach Ruth, and I have been helping individuals with chronic fatigue, brain fog, anxiety issues to detox the body down to the cells. So, I'm excited to be able to show you guys how to simplify a healthy lifestyle so that you don't have to keep spending on things that you can be saving money on, right? We can use that money to spend on other things like food, supplements that we actually need, detoxing stuff. So I am excited to be able to bring you a good cleaning product. Okay, so let's get started. This is the easiest, most simplest thing that you could ever do. Okay, you're gonna get your glass bottle. You do want a dark bottle. We're gonna use essential oils. It's best to have a dark bottle. I love Sally Organics. Sally Organics has an awesome sprayer. So if you only have, if you have a container like this, where you've had maybe like an oil, like PC oil or something in here, you can reuse this and you can just buy your sprayer from Sally's Organics. The amazing thing is that Sally Organics doesn't have it doesn't clog, their little sprayer does not clog here. Okay, so that's what we want. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get alcohol. This is just 70% rubbing alcohol. Guys, it's a 1/4 cup of alcohol in this bottle. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some in here, and I already know how high I want this to be, okay? So it's gonna be about that high, okay? It's not too much. You can do more, but then it starts to smell too strong like alcohol. So I don't want that strong scent. And then I'm gonna grab my essential oil. So I'm gonna do just peppermint essential oil. I love peppermint. Peppermint is just amazing. It smells so fresh and clean. And so I'm just gonna add 8 drops in here. Okay, that was 9 again. It always, 8 to 10 drops is totally fine. Okay, we wanna mix it this way, and we're gonna grab our water, okay? Okay, we've got my filtered water here, my reverse osmosis filtered water. I'm just gonna pour it in here. You're just gonna fill it all the way up to almost the top. Okay, awesome. So that's what it looks like, right? So it's pretty filled up to the top. You can also add grapefruit seed extract if you want it in here. Okay, so essential oils are antibacterial. They're amazing to kill bacteria, viruses, different things like that. The alcohol will help to kill bacteria, degrease your countertop, so it's great for the kitchen. This is great for the bathroom and toilets, but the alcohol will kill bacteria, viruses, funguses as well. And then if you do want to add grapefruit essential extract, yes, grapefruit extract, not essential. Grapefruit extract, if you want to add that in, that also helps to kill bacteria, but it's great for killing funguses. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my grapefruit so that you can see what I'm talking about. So this is grapefruit seed. So this is grapefruit seed extract, okay? This is what it looks like. If you can kind of see, it's GSE. This is the concentrated version. And you can just put 1 drop per cup in here. And so you'll want to shake that up well. Okay, so I put 2 drops in here. Okay, you'll want to just shake it up really well. And then you'll be able to use it. So I wanted to show you guys really quick as I was looking for this grapefruit seed extract. You can use even this kind of bottle to be able to make your concoction. Guess what this is? Apple cider vinegar bottle, okay? So you can always buy a bigger thing here and it fits. Okay, so Sally Organics fits for these bottles. Now you'll have to buy something that's longer because obviously it's too short. But this is what I'm talking about. Reuse what you have. Think creatively. Think outside the box. Always think, what can I use instead of buying something if you are tight on money and you need to use that money for healthier things, okay? Or for other things. Because when we've got chronic health conditions, it is not easy to be able to buy all the supplements, buy all the organic food. You know, it becomes really challenging. So if we can save money here and there, this here just saved me about $5 or $6. That can go to my meat, right? So this here was so easy to make. This lasts you a long time. The alcohol, the essential oil will last you a long time. And then you just need filtered water. You can either use filtered water or distilled water. Make sure you do have clean filtered water in your home. Really important, especially if you have chronic health conditions. But thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to keep bringing you just easy, simple things. And I am taking on new clients. So if you are interested in working with me one-on-one, we can go ahead and jump on a 15-minute discovery call where we'll just chit chat, see your situation, see how I can help you, and see if we're a good fit. If you guys want to just kind of see me doing stuff in my kitchen and very light editing and you're okay with that, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to do that. The link is down in my bio in the description. Have a blessed one, my friends.